Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we're going to make an anvil stand. Come along, let's get built. The first thing we're going to do is square up this log with the chainsaw. For the next cut in the height of the anvil, I'm going to go by the tried and true height of your knuckles. So we'll do some measuring and cut her off. For me it's 32. Alright, we'll do 32 minus 11 1/4. You don't want to see the whole thing again. Our next step is going to be putting a dish in the bottom, so it's a bowl, it'll sit easier than being flat. And we'll sand it up so we don't get any splinters. It's looking great already. Next we're going to use some parts and a chain, get this anvil secured to the stump. Old Peter Wright's ready to work. And there you have it, an anvil stand. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cold! Can you sit on the anvil?
No.
Puppy
Careful.
for scale. Woo! Just enough. Oh, now it's recording. Ooh, it's cold. You stink.
Yeah, she does stink.
You stink.